Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso Wakho. Ngicela ngingakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. UBatman akakadlali negame eyodwa for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. He's still patiently waiting for isikhathi sakhe. uPensini Mhlongo kwamkhotsha laphana ku-Ajax Cape Town noma ngithi ku-Cape Town Spurs uthi uBatman uyi-special talent. Mekhuluma ngayo uthi umfanisa noJabu Pule no-Ace bafethu, uyasho ukuthi uyi-special talent noma uyi-special player. Uthi wenza izinto ongeke ukholwe nawe laphana ejimini njengoba yena vele bemjimisa bemcoacha laphana. Uthi-ke inkinga yakhe nayo ukuthi akekho aggressive laphana e-training. Kusho ukuthi e-training akusiyi player eli-train-ayo eliya all out e-training. Uthi uma umbheka laphana as i-player e-training akayi 50-50, kusho ukuthi kuma-challenges akayi all out because of akafuni ukulimaza ama-teammate wakhe, u-easy e-training. Uthi kodwa-ke mfake emagamini umbone kuma-match days uzokubonisa umlingo or noma umlilo noma ama-flames sisho kanjalo. Uthi-ke udinga u-coach ozom-understand-a ukuthi e-training akekho aggressive, he just prepares himself laphana e-training. Kusho-ke i-player bafethu eleke ladlalela iMamelodi Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates ne-Platinum Stars namanye ama-team laphana ku-Betway Premiership noma ebholeni lase-South Africa. Nakubafana Bafana uBenson Mhlongo bafethu udlalile. So njengoba akhuluma kahle kanjena ngomfethu ngoBatman, kusho ukuthi uBatman there's something really special about him. Ocoach be-Kaizer Chiefs bamjaja laphana ejimini and then sebayamchitha. Kanti-ke match day squad, you can try him and let him fail. Ngihlezi ngisho lento le ukuthi kumele bamzame azifeyilele. Uthi laphana emagamini uBatman angayisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs or uyakwazi ukuwinela ama-matches. We had to ask him to sacrifice just for game ukhuluma la ngamagame ukuthi kunamagame laphana ku-Cape Town Spurs bekumele ba-sacrifice khona, and then uBatman wakwazi ukubawinela noma ukubasiza kulawo magame lawo. Abantu abaningi yazi funny enough, like khona abantu abaningi abashoyo lana under ama-comment wami abamazi personal uBatman, abanye bathi lo muntu special kakhulu, just ukuthi ama-coach awabhiliveli lese kuma-youngsters or kuye, but kusho ukuthi inkinga yakhe ejimini, the aggression part. And I mean ejimini vele they have to fight, but to take it easy ngoba ayingakho ama-player uKaizer Chiefs alimala laphana ejimini. That's just not okay ukuthi ama-player alimazana ejimini kanje, not kuma-match day squad or ku-match day la badlala khona nama-opposition. So into kumele babe careful, babheke ukuthi bangalimazani. So Batman, which is calculative in terms of going all out against ama-player wakhe, but isithemba ukuthi uzoyithola i-chance yakhe uBatman njengoba umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs aconfirmile ukuthi ngeke bamthathe laphana umfana bamuse ku-DDC team. Bayabhiliva ku-talent lakhe and what he went through. Ubani ulona bafethu, uDan Dance, one of the iconic South African coaches owashaya i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-final ye-Nedbank Cup laphana i-coach i-TS Galaxy. Ukhulume nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs inawo ama-player ukuthi inga-compete, inalo i-quality, kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ina everything. Uthe into i-Kaizer Chiefs ayidingayo bafethu, idinga ama-player u-11 noma u-15 azoba stable laphana, lithi balance ethimini, bazi ukuthi yiwo lama-player lawa wabo abazowadlalisa. So yeah, and then this is how I interpreted this thing. There is no way uwin i-championship ngama-player u-20. There's no way bafowethu. Njalo i-team, yonke i-team eyiwina ama-championship iba ne-core team. I-core team like sama-player u-11 abawathembayo, ra u-15, 13. Usho ukuthi maba-substitute uyazi ukuthi ubani ozongena uma kunenkinga, ubani ohlele ebhentshini laphana o-strong. So i-Kaizer Chiefs abakabi nayo leyo nto le, abazi ukuthi number 1 manje ubani i-main striker, abakazi. Ustriker esinamagoli amaningi nabo bonke singena from ebhentshini, sometimes akadlali nokudlala, which is uSilva. Umayo siyazi ukuthi ulimele, was promising naye uqalile amanye amagame, but he was dropped to the bench kule game le alimala ngayo. So even nama-midfielders abafiwe abantu aba-guaranteed ukuthi bazoqala, even ne-back four, like u-goalkeeper ku-back four awazi ukuthi kuzoqala bani. So they have to build obviously core team. Ngiyavumelana-ke la no-Dan Dance bafethu, but they have to build i-core team, ama-player ambalwa abazi ukuthi okay, nawo ama-player wabo, i-core team yama-player awu-13 or plus let's say 11 plus ne-substitute, ama-substitute wabo bazi ukuthi okay, this is our core team. Mhlampe uma kungalimala omunye senga-add omunye, but i-team yabo kumele bayazi. You can't play finder bafethu uthi hayi siyobona phambili le talent leli esinalo leli as ama-player abanawo, because sometimes uma uyi-coach uwinelwa ilokhu njani, uwinelwa ama-play game. Thola ukuthi wena uyi-coach nje ebhedayo, but because of ne-quality iyakwazi ukukuwinela. Khona ama-players a-stand out, individual performances, brilliant performances bayakwazi ukukuwinela ama-game, but wena as i-coach awukho right, yabo. So bona ukuthi but-ke sebadlale 16 games already but abakabi ne-core team yabo. They're still trying to hlanganisa some things, but yeah, abanye bathi abanikwa isikhathi o-coach. I don't think abantu baya-realize ukuthi sokusele iligi iphela ngoMay, kusho ukuthi isizini iphela ngoMay. Ilona ngeke idlale ngoDisemba manje i-championship noma i-Betway Premiership izobuya February. Kusho ukuthi February kuyalena bafuthi ama-game azodlalwa. Phela February, March, April, May kusele 4 months, kusele 4 months kuphela bafuthi ukuthi iphele le league le, or liphele ibhola. And ama-game amaningi ayodlalwa after i-AFCON, let's say late January ukuya le. So sethemba ukuthi like le break abazoba nayo, they're gonna go away, obviously travel, and abanye babuyele kwela kubo, abanye baye overseas, and then kudlala i-AFCON iphele. Mababuya lese bahlangane as a team, maybe bazobanika igame i-break ya 2 weeks or so, and then they come back. Lapho-ke kumele by the time bebuya kumele sebazi ukuthi i-core team yabo iyiphi, and then abanye bazo-contribute kanjani. Yeah, ziyakhala. They have the team, they have everything, they have the creativity. Banabafana abancane abakwazi uku-standa out. Enye into ekhulunywe ucoach Dan Dance bafethu uthe khona ama-players okungamelanga uwa-change, but-ke beseqhathanisa nakuBafana. Uthe khona ama-players, I think mina ngiyithatha ngiyibeka ku-Kaizer Chiefs, khona ama-player okungamelanga uwa-change, awadlala ibhola labo leli aba-comfortable ngalo. Ungasho ukuthi abadlale uku-complicate izinto, so udimanda more from iplayer elilodwa. Utshela ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi umtshela ukuthi, let's say for example, ile nto le eshiwo ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs Cedric Keza ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi uyahluleka ukumaka or akakwazi ukumaka, iside okumele a-improve kulo. Man, akadlale nge-strength sakhe isikhathi esiningi. Umfana ayoshayile i-right back, angakhava vele ukukhava lapho makuxega lapha nemuva, but akadlala according to i-strength sakhe. Hhayi ukuthi team yonke yosizana ukumaka. Le nto bengisho ukuthi abo-coach abahlakaniphi bafowethu, hhayi ukuthi ba-acte njengama-robot. Bazi ukuthi yeah, they can cover some spaces. Utshela uGustin Sireni ukuthi amake, come on. But yeah, I wanna go to this thing yasho lokhu njani yashiwo Cheslet. Uthi yena into ayithandayo kakhulu bafowethu i-creativity. Uthi for yena ukuthi akwazi ukusiza i-team iwina ama-game nanokuthi ashaya amagoli. Uyambona amagama walo muntu lo ukuthi a-strong kanjani bafethu, a-director straight. Ulethwele lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi azokwenzani, azosiza i-team iwina ama-games, a-contribute kuma-goals, udirect. Whereas uMorris yena mebuza ukuthi uzo-contribute-ani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, wathi ngeke abathembise ama-goal but uzosebenza kanzima, u-work hard, usho kanjalo. You see, sinama-players awu-2 mentally awafani nokucabanga. Ngeke ukuthi uyi-strike ukuthi i-team ngeke uyilethele ama-goal. uMayo yena mebuza wathi i-team ulethe ama-goals nje yena ku-Kaizer Chiefs nokuthi awine ama-games. uMorris yena uthi angibathembisa ama-goal kodwa I'll work hard. Hawu bakwethu, bowuyaphi kanti? Bowuyaphi uyi-striker ungathembisi amagoli? But Ethan Cheslet uthe yena menikwe i-opportunity yokuthi adlale bafowethu uzokwazi ukuba decisive, a-contribute ukuthi i-team ikwazi ukuwina ama-game, and uthi yiyo into nje emgqugquzelayo leyo noma emotivateayo ukuthi mezothola isikhathi sokuthi a-contribute uzokwazi ngempela ukusiza i-team. Amanye ama-player laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, oThabiso Munyane mebekhuluma, ngiyambona ukuthi Thabiso Munyane ukuthi umisele kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, nanokuthi kunama-standards awasethile for yena. Uthe i-Kaizer Chiefs mayenza kahle, wonke umuntu around the country obviously bayasmile, abantu bajabulile. So bona bafuna ukumake sure ukuthi bajabulisa ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs. So yena as an individual uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe okumele awenze ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi akwazi ukudeliver, nanokuthi ama-fans akwazi ukujabula bafowethu. So we understand without ama-fans there's no Kaizer Chiefs. So yiwo like ama-player phela umuntu kufana naku-interview, mawukhuluma naye bama-interview uyambona ukuthi lo muntu uzoyisiza i-team, is willing to fight for i-team. Same thing noMthetho, mawumbona like he gets so emotional because of he gives everything that he has for i-team. He's willing to die inside the field of play. But mawubheka amanye ama-player adlala ngathi awafuni. Looking at yazi angifuni inkinga ukukhuluma lama-player, thi ngingawabala amagama ama-player noma ngingawasho amagama ama-player. Khona ama-player awu-2 bewadlala ku-midfield, siwabukele laphana eNetherlands kule game le bebayidlala nama-Europeans. ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs eyenzela i-favour. Abantu they are not fighting hard, badlala, kuyadlalwa nje ngoba kuyadlalwa, but they're not giving i-team, they're giving i-team nothing. So you can't have iplay elinjalo ethimini. You need ama-warrior, you need ama-fighters, ama-teams, ama-players olwela i-team. There's something ulo uMarco ubuyile, bonakala ngathi uzotravela nayo kuye lokhu njani kuye e-Egypt, but we'll see. Bonakala ngathi but i-chance inkulu ukuthi a-travel because of angithi khona le clip engiyikhiphile, bano-coach laphana ebhizi abatshela something, abanika ama-insiders ukuthi they have to prepare kanjani. Bonakala ngathi yisi squad sakhe or uzokhetha lapho ucoach. uMarco lo ngikhuluma naye, I wish angisho ukuthi uMayo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs nayo into emsayinele yona bafethu. Ku-statement se-Kaizer Chiefs mayimsayina bathi bona basayine umuntu odlala as i-left wing back. Kusho ukuthi uMarco ku-Kaizer Chiefs is expected every game ukuthi aye phambili, and he has shown that thing yokuthi njalo yena mayebamba ibhola uzoya phambili. Even i-game against iMamelodi Sundowns, you could see that this one is hungry ukuthi aye laphana phambili bafethu. Is hungry ngempela to give everything for the team. So they need everyone to be hungry. They need everyone to be connected. They need everyone to give everything that they have. Ngizovala ngo-Solomons. But before uqala ngo-Dupreez, but simkhohle uDupreez ngalento yakho ukuthi uthembisa abantu ukuthi ufuna ukushaya 20 goals abonge i-Kaizer Chiefs ngecontract entsha. uSolomons bafethu wakhuluma ukuthi yena uyathemba kakhulu uma kuziwa kuma-penalties, kusho ukuthi i-penalty nje uyalishaya kadlali. Ukuthemba kwakhe simbonile ku-Carling Knockout bafethu egeja i-penalty. Well, bambambile, wathi nasi i-statement sakhe, uthi nje mebheka wena kulezi zinto lezi zama-penalty-ke bafethu, uyakwazi ukuhendlela i-pressure lama-penalty. Kusho ukuthi i-penalty alimlokhu njani, alimthusi. Uthi-ke nje yena uyakwazi ukwakora ama-penalty noma ukwashaya. Uthi mayethatha i-penalty-ke laphana uba kuzone yakhe, akafocus, ukufocusa kuye kuphela not ukhipha. Uthi-ke umeya nje laphana uthatha ibhola kusho ukuthi kula focusa khona. Uthi whether ukhipha uya kule side, kuliphi iside, uthi ngeke amdisturb. Whether uye esayidini ele-right, yena uyakwazi ukulishaya i-penalty phakathi, but ku-Carling akakwazanga ukulishaya i-penalty bafethu, bambambile. Kusho ukuthi la bekasichazela nje ukuthi uyakwazi ukushaya esayidini ele-right, kusho ukuthi noma ukhipha angadayivela esayidini ele-right, kusho ukuthi u-powerful, uyakwazi ukupika i-spot kahle, but-ke he failed because of wabanjwa laphana. I mean, yabo, when I played football angikaze ngageja i-penalty because I didn't understand ukuthi ukhipha u-at i-disadvantage ukuthi abambe i-penalty le-player, to be fair bafethu. Bhekani ipala ukuthi lingakanani. Shaya lento le ngeshot lakho lonke. If une-shot lonke, ishot lakho iyangidina kabi lento lokuthi ama-players oplace ibhola. Shaya lento le ngeshot lonke. Mfethu, shaya nje stray, uzoshaya ukhetha iside elilodwa, ushaya i-powerful shot. That's it. Side noma ungalishaya straight, not far from the keeper, but there's no way ukeeper abambe ishot bafethu lakho lonke. Not necessarily maybe lonke, but ke power behind the ball. Coach wami bejayele ukuthi power behind the ball, noma ukeeper angalibona ibhola lakho ukuthi liyephi, ulishaya powerful ngeke alibambe. I watch i-penalty khona i-penalty lishaywe iplayer lase-Nigeria kwa-left hand, kwa-right hand side, ngasho ukuthi what a penalty. Power behind the ball. Ngeke ukeeper emhlabeni ongabamba ishot lakho lonke bafethu from the penalty spot. There's no way. But ngizoyibamba lana bafethu, sibafisela inhlanhla abadlali. Uyabuya i-Betway Premiership this weekend. The upcoming, no, not this weekend. Oh yes, this weekend iyabuya. Iyabuya, but-ke kunama-team angeke adlale afana no-Kaizer Chiefs because of bona bayalena eGibhithe bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa like and subscribe. Making sure bafethu ukuthi siyalidrive ipage la phambili.